Let's visit Songs of the Forest. Here is a group of crown pigeon. And here is a group of pied avocet, a group of birds that live near the water. This is a blue-naped parrot. Take a look at the beautiful, colorful feathers of the parrot. And here is the nest of the crown pigeon. You can see here one parrot. Next, we will visit Crimson Wetlands. We will first see the flamingos, then the scarlet ibis. You can notice why this place is called Crimson Wetlands. Now we see the parrots and macaws. And here is the family of parrot. This is the sun parakeet, the heart of Africa. Let's visit Wings of Asia. We start by taking a look at some ducks and geese. And the famous hornbill. And this is a pair of imperial pigeons. Again, a closer look at the imperial pigeon. Now let's see the birds in mysterious Papua. We see the crown pigeon, the lorikeet, the white cockatoo, and the cassowary, the Amazonian gules. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.